Hello, everyone. Have you ever thought that the best gift could be something much more valuable than just toys or presents? Today, we are going to talk about a special Christmas story, The Best Christmas Present in the World, written by Michael Morpurgo. This is a story that shows the power of kindness, humanity, and peace. So, let's dive into this heartwarming story and discover what makes it the best Christmas present ever. Let's begin with the narrator. He's someone just like us, looking for something unique. One day, he buys an old roll-top table from a junk shop. It looks worn out, but the narrator decides to fix it. While working on it, he makes an unexpected discovery, a hidden letter from an English soldier, Captain Jim Macpherson, written to his wife, Connie. This letter tells a story from Christmas Day in 1914 during World War I. Captain Jim Macpherson describes a moment during the war when, unexpectedly, the German soldiers waved a white flag and wished the English soldiers Merry Christmas. Both sides were in their trenches, ready for battle, but for one brief moment, they put their weapons down. The German soldiers brought gifts, canned meat, wine, and even invited the English soldiers to join them in celebrating Christmas together. Imagine this, German and English soldiers who had been fighting for months, now sharing food, drinks, and laughter. They even played a football match together. Both sides celebrated Christmas as if there was no war. Afterward, they sang Christmas carols together before reluctantly returning to their trenches. This pause in war, though brief, brought peace to a battlefield that was usually full of violence. During this temporary peace, Captain Macpherson had a meaningful conversation with Hans Wolf, a German officer. Hans, who was from Dusseldorf, shared that he played the piano in an orchestra and loved the works of Thomas Hardy, an English author. Macpherson, who was a teacher from Dorset, offered Hans a cake sent by his wife, Connie. This moment showed how two soldiers, from opposing sides, could connect over shared interests and humanity. After the Christmas celebrations, the soldiers went back to their trenches, but it was clear that neither side wanted to resume fighting. Jim Macpherson wrote in his letter that these peaceful moments were treasures he would carry for the rest of his life. He hoped the war would end soon and that peace would prevail. In a time of war, these moments of kindness and peace were unforgettable. After reading the letter, the narrator decides to return it to Mrs. Macpherson. He travels to her home in Bridport, only to find that the house had burned down in a fire. He learns that Mrs. Macpherson, now 101 years old, resides in a nursing home. He visits her, hoping to give her the letter that holds such precious memories. At the nursing home, the narrator meets Mrs. Macpherson and calls her by name, Connie. When she sees the letter, her eyes fill with tears. She takes his hand and says, "Jim kept his promise." She tells him that this letter, from the Christmas truce, is the best Christmas present in the world. It's a gift that brings her memories of her late husband, Jim, and the kindness of that extraordinary Christmas. So, what do we learn from this beautiful story? First, we see how war only brings destruction and sorrow. But in moments of peace, like during the Christmas truce, humanity and kindness shine through. The story teaches us that peace, love, and understanding are the true gifts of life. And no matter the circumstances, the best gifts come from the heart, not from a store. Thank you for watching. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on Edurif to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 8. Thank you.